Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today for quick unboxing I have saw blade from Festool. This blade diameter is 216 millimeters. I bought it from China Taobao because found there the cheapest. This is 60 tooth saw blade for mainly miter saws Kapex 60. I bought it from Taobao with shipping to my country about $65. But if you look to USA or in Europe, Amazon, eBay and other web pages where you can find these saw blades, the cost about from $90 to $110. So this is not first time I'm buying from Taobao, and I'm sure that it's a genuine product. Not any copy or other thing. I have several Festool accessories bought from Taobao. All the time I received original genuine new items, so why not to save some money? I will give the link in the description so you can go and check for yourself if you wish to buy one for you. So let's look closer to it. As you can see here, this is diameter of the blade, 216 millimeters of, or if you are in US or using imperial measurement system, it's 8.5 inch. So you can look from USA, from well-known other brands, Diablo, Trend and so on, for this size. They have a lot of different blades for this saw. So let's look at this. Is arbor size is 30 millimeter. The kerf or tooth thickness is 2.3 millimeter, and the metal of saw blade is 1.6 millimeter. Here we can see the tooth count 60 and the type of the tooth. This is general use. It can provide very clean cut, but if you use it on melamine and all that other laminated boards, they become dull very soon. But for wood, it can give you clean cut and will last long time. So the article number you can see here, made in Germany. Kapex KS60 and KSC60. KSC60 is a cordless version with the latest brushless motor with 2 batteries, and KS60 is corded version. So let's look at the back. For this size of blade, they have 4 types, and each one is color labeled, as you can see. For wood, the color label from Festool is yellow one. From other saws you can also see if you have on your blade or on the box. Each saw comes with wood universal with 36 tooth. For general use it's quite well, but if you want cross-cutting some wood and want to get very clean cut, like me, you need to change your saw blade to more tooth count. 60. The rest two, blue one is for aluminum plastics. As you can see, the tooth configuration is different compared with wood cutting. And for laminate or HPL, as well, somehow plastics and so on. Again, the tooth configuration differ, and it labeled red one, and here it shows W48 with 48 tooth. I'm not familiar with this blade, but as you can see, it comes with another saw, symmetric C70. The difference from KS60 or KSC60 is that the table, as you can see here in the photo, these two parts move simultaneously together and you all the time getting exact angle. This mainly for people who are working only with angles. So I'm guessing that it comes with this saw blade, because my KSC60 came with W36 one. So the rest is general information, address and so on. As you can see, it mentioned imported into the UK by Festool company. Maybe Chinese people buying from UK, it's cheaper and importing to China than selling their marketplaces. I do not know. If you know, please share your comment. So I have another unboxing video for Festool TS60. I bought a laminate HPL blade for cutting melamine boards. I will put the link in the description of it, and I received quite clean cut after some investigation and trying to find special saw blade. You can watch that video if you are interested too, because Festool TS60 has something special. The diameter of saw blade 168 millimeter, so it is not easy to find blade for it. It is not common, it is not general. As well, the tool thickness 1.8 millimeter, so it is also not as common on other type of saw blades. So couple of brands making such blade. If you are interested, go to that video and look. So at first we can receive this when opening the box. We see this manual. Somehow I read from the other my saw blade some instruction for safety, maintenance and so on. It is always nice to read it, and you can get some information which you do not know before that. So just a couple minutes, look at it and read. Here is the blade by itself. So as you can see, it comes in oil, all this oil. The same for the other blade which I bought from again China, Festool blade. It's very nice to see oil in it, because during the transportation or keeping in some stores, places, it can rust can make it its job and make the blade damaged and so on, and the oil keeps it from rusting and so on. So cleaning it with mineral spirits or other things by which you are cleaning oily things, it's nice, but do it before use. It's very important, because when you will use dust and so on will very well stick to this oil, and then it will be much more harder to clean the disc than before using it. So my strong suggestion, clean it. I will do it in the end of the video with the mineral spirit, then use it. So the same information here as we can see in the box. The maximum speed 5000 rpm. I would like to remind you that KSC60 maximum speed is about 3500. So all the time they put some extra for any not standard situation. So again, wood, fine cut, yellow labeled, tooth configuration, distance between tooth, the information for sharpening it, because as you can see the tooth really thick. I will measure and say you the thickness of the tooth, so you can sharpen it, I think at least 10-15 times. it's a quite big amount of sharpening, so you will use it very long time. So at first check 2.3 millimeter, as you can see. Yes, 2.3 millimeter. I just randomly choosing 2.3, 2.3, maybe a little bit bigger, so 0.5 millimeters. So that's the thickness of the blade, tooth carbide plate, 2.5 millimeter. So each time you can check with your other blades how many times you sharpen with the tooth with such thickness, but it compared to many others quite a thick carbide tips. As you can see, well lit on all sides, and these special grooves for vibration compensation, because when the blade becoming hot, the metal is changing the volume, it expanding, making bigger, so it can make a wobbly, and the cutting can be curved a little bit and so not so precise. So they are making these special lasers with laser grooves for compensating the change in the volume of the metal. So that's it. In next video I will show in the saw the difference with other saw blade which come with 36 teeth. As well, I have from CMT other blade for 64 teeth with small tooth thickness, but it's somehow not so precise because of its being so thin and cutting thick materials. It like curving somehow and not giving a clean and straight cut. So in the next video I will show and compare these blades. If you are planning to buy one, it will help you to make your decision. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments, and thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.